Welcome back to TechnoBreako today. I'm going to share with you the top 5 programming languages every ethical hacker should know. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your skills, these languages are essential for success in the field. Number 1. Python. Python is the Swiss Army knife of programming languages for ethical hackers. Its simplicity and readability make it perfect for scripting, automation, and building powerful tools for penetration testing. From network scanning to creating custom exploits, Python's versatility makes it a must-learn language for any ethical hacker. Number 2. JavaScript. If you don't underestimate the power of JavaScript in ethical hacking. With its widespread use in web development, understanding JavaScript is crucial for identifying and exploiting vulnerabilities in web applications. Whether it's XSS attacks or manipulating the DOM, JavaScript proficiency is a game changer for ethical hackers. Number 3. SQL. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is the backbone of database management systems. For ethical hackers, mastering SQL is essential for conducting database injections and extracting sensitive information from vulnerable databases. Understanding SQL syntax and database structures is key to uncovering critical security flaws. Number 4. Bash. When it comes to system administration and scripting on Unix-based systems, Bash is king. Ethical hackers rely on Bash for automating tasks, writing custom scripts, and executing powerful commands on target systems. Whether it's privilege escalation or post-exploitation activities, Bash proficiency is indispensable. Number 5. C language and C++. Last but not least, we have C language C++, the foundation of low-level programming. While not as beginner-friendly as Python, mastering C language ANDC opens doors to understanding memory management, buffer overflows, and writing efficient exploits. For serious ethical hackers delving into reverse engineering or exploit development, C language and C++ is a must-have skill. Conclusion. So there you have it. Folks, the top 5 programming languages every ethical hacker should know: Python, JavaScript, SQL, Bash, and C language and C++. Whether you're conducting penetration tests, securing systems, or hunting for vulnerabilities, proficiency in these languages will set you apart in the world of ethical hacking. Thanks for watching, and happy hacking!